editor, I just can't take it anymore. Why does everyone think pumpkins are only good for Halloween? It's just not fair. The other 364 days of the year, I may as well not exist. I can't keep fighting this healthy food battle alone. What should I do?
Let's get to the bottom of this. We received your letter. Would you care to comment on your seasonal situation?
Hello? Yes, I wrote to you. Don't get me wrong, I love Halloween. But I'm stuck in one role, like an actor who only plays vampires. I'm more than decoration. I'm a superfood. People should know that. I even went head-to-head with Avocado. You should show them.
We absolutely must set the record straight. Let's talk facts. Pumpkin is high in vitamin A, supports healthy vision, strengthens your immune response, and helps maintain glowing skin. Rich in vitamin C and E, delivers antioxidants that protect your cells, enhance skin health, and reduce inflammation. Packed with fiber, promotes digestion, feeds your gut's good bacteria, and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Contains potassium and magnesium. Supports your heart, regulates blood pressure, and keeps muscles and nerves in sync. Low in calories, great for weight management without compromising on flavor or nutrition.
Full of fiber, beta-carotene, that's me.
Let's not forget the seeds. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with protein, zinc, and healthy fats. They're tiny but mighty. So how can you make pumpkin part of your diet year-round? Try blending up a fresh pumpkin smoothie with banana and a pinch of cinnamon. It's like dessert in a glass, but good for you. Just roast pumpkin chunks and serve with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cheese. Easy, comforting, and full of flavor.
Personally, I always vote for honey.
And what would fall be without the classic pumpkin soup? Creamy, hearty, and perfect for chilly evenings. Pumpkin also shines as a side dish with meat. Its subtle sweetness balances savory flavors beautifully. Soft, fragrant pumpkin pancakes? Your kids will love them, and so will you, especially on a lazy Sunday morning. And of course, desserts. Pumpkin makes dreamy muffins and those iconic pumpkin pies we all wait for each year. Let's not forget pumpkin latte, a perfect way to warm up on a crisp autumn day with just the right touch of spice. Well, we hope we've given you some ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Add this amazing veggie to your meals to keep things healthy and exciting. So, Pumpkin, are you happy with how we told your story?
Oh yes, absolutely. I was just thinking about pumpkin latte again. Thanks for hearing me out. Until next time, may the vitamins be with you.